am gonna go ice skating today for the first time in 9.5 months. I'm so excited. I can't even believe it. I have butterflies. So 3 weeks ago, my surgeon gave me permission to wear my skates again. No jumping or anything with impact, but that means I can do my edges, I can do my gliding maneuvers, I can spin. And since then, I've just been waiting for my rink to be open. It's been closed due to the COVID-19 requirements and all of that stuff, but they just opened, which means I get to go skating. I'm so excited. I can hardly believe it. I'm nervous. I feel like I'm probably gonna be really rusty and stiff, and maybe I'm gonna have to learn things all over again. No, I doubt that. I'll probably be okay, but I am definitely kind of nervous. And this will be the first time skating on that foot since my surgery, so that'll be interesting too. In case you're new, you're just joining me, and you haven't been following along in this whole story, I twisted my ankle twice last year. Once in March falling off of a skateboard, and once in September walking down the hallway at the ice rink in my skates. I literally just slipped in my skates and twisted my ankle. So I've spent the last 9.5 months since that second sprain not able to skate. So it's been this crazy saga. And ever since September, it's been doctor's appointments and physical therapy and doctor's appointments and physical therapy. And then finally had surgery in January, and I've been doing physical therapy ever since. And then 3 weeks ago, my doctor gave me the green light to skate again, and I'm finally going to skate. So it's so exciting. I know I'm not strong anymore. I know I need to get some strength back, flexibility back, all of that stuff. But I'm just excited to feel that cold air in my face and glide, and I have no goals, nothing I'm gonna try to accomplish, just have some fun, enjoy being out there, see what it feels like to skate again. And then, you know what? I'll work hard next time. I'm just gonna have some fun today, all right? And I'll take you along the ride so you can see how it goes. I'm nervous. It feels like ice. Okay, I'm gonna try some moves. Do some spins. Hold on, I can't see. Spread eagle is a little rough going into it. The back foot is the foot that had surgery, and I got into it, but it just jarred me a little bit. So I'm gonna try that again. that was my surgery foot that I was standing on my outside edge. That's the operated on side. That makes me feel very happy that I could do that. I could not do that even a year ago. So this is wonderful. Okay, that was good. Well, this has been so much fun. I'm so happy to be out on the ice again. My moves are not terrible. I definitely need some work to get everything back how I want it to be, you know, back in tip-top shape. But, you know, I can still skate, so that is just wonderful. And it just feels so good to have that cold air in my face and the ice under my feet again. So thank you all so much for following along with me since I hurt myself and through all my tutorials on this channel. I'm looking forward to getting more tutorials out for you. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do it so you can see all my skating videos when they come out in the future. If you enjoyed this, hit that thumbs up. And of course, I always look forward to reading all your comments down below. I'll see you next time. Happy skating!